Hello everyone! I'm really excited to talk to you really quick about my magical portrait. This year has been filled with so many rites of passages and milestones for me this year, and I figured what would be a better time than to have one done. And I know Alexandros for many years and absolutely love his work, and felt that I needed to really see myself in a way that I haven't seen myself before. I know how I feel, but it's very different to actually see your magic, to see the power that you hold, and to be reminded each and every day of who you really are. And so my magical portrait has really served as a reminder to help me remember when I forget the magical and powerful, fierce and fearless woman that I am. And so I feel really humbled and grateful that I can have this beautiful piece in my sacred space, so that when I look at her, the her that is me, the she that is me, I remember that I have all of the infinite power and all of the magic inside of me. And so when I'm reminded of myself in a much higher and elevated vibration and frequency, it helps me to really tap into the universe and to create out of all the limitless possibilities that there are. And so Alexandros, thank you so much for helping me to commune with self. Thank you so much for building that bridge for me to truly tap into the she that is me and the goddess that I am. I love you so much. Mwah.